and welcome. Today we're making cabbage salad. Not only is it going to be stunning to look at, but it's also going to be packed with lots of fresh, beautiful, crunchy elements. You're gonna love it. Let's get into it. I love this salad for its classiness and simplicity. You'll love it too. Keep watching. All right, for this cabbage salad, you will need 1/3 of a large cabbage, and we're using green cabbage. You want to give it a beautiful chop. You also need just 2 leaves of kale. This is green kale. Remove that woody stalk from it and discard. So they're not stringy, go across it. You can turn it and then give it a chop again. Next is half a medium-sized red onion. Red onions are beautiful in salad. Next is 1/3 of a large red bell pepper. We're gonna chop this up as well. First, cut them into strips, and I just like to take this part off. Just imagine the pop of color this will bring. I like to rinse my bell peppers, the red bell pepper, because of all that pigment it releases. See all that? I don't want that to discolor my dressing. See, I want everything to look nice and pretty in the end. I do the same with the carrot. Yes, that is so true for all pigmented vegetables. Carrot is a big one, all right? So once you put a knife to it, that carotene, that pigment in carotene just finds its outlet to just start running out. So I do likewise with the bell pepper, and that helps to keep my salad dressing, which in today's case is going to be creamy and white, and I like to keep it that way. So if you're thinking ahead, yeah, you would want to tackle this right now before you get to that point so it doesn't discolor the salad dressing. So a quick rinse, and that's all she wrote. Next ingredient is half of this cucumber. Now I cut them and also remove the core, as the core is full of water and can turn the salad into soup eventually, and then give them a beautiful dice. For the dressing, we're going to need some mayonnaise. This is about 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, about 1/2 tablespoon of grainy Dijon mustard, some regular Dijon mustard, about 1/2 teaspoon. You want 1 tablespoon of vinegar for an acidic factor. Then for sweetening, we need about 1 teaspoon or a few drizzles of honey. Then season with a pinch of crushed black pepper and salt. And then we need that citrus essence of some dill. So I'm just going to snip off this fresh dill in here. If you have dry, you can use that too, or really any herb of choice. So this salad promises you simplicity. And yet, like I said in the beginning, it is classy. I mean, just look at it, all right? Look at the colors. They are all popping. And then let us not even go there when it comes to that crunch, fresh factor. Yes, it's giving. Generously so, and we are loving it. We're ready to serve. Another thing I love about this salad is that you can use a simple vinaigrette. It doesn't have to be a rich, creamy dressing, friends. What you definitely want in here is the acidity, a little bit of sweetness to balance the acidity, and then season it with your salt. And then you also want a little bit of fat. So if you're using a vinaigrette, you can substitute the mayonnaise with something like extra virgin olive oil. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're inspired. Make it a great day and have fun, especially in that kitchen.
Thank you, beautiful person, for watching the video all the way to the end. Kindly leave me a comment and subscribe down below, and don't forget to share the video as well. Also, watch more videos. It is chop time, and here in Anaba's kitchen, chop time is always yes, friends. So pull up a chair. We are all friends and family here.